In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your chats explosive with Imessage Confetti on iOS 18. This feature is a fun, lively way to enhance your messages, making them more festive and engaging. It can add a spark to your conversations, perfect for special occasions like birthdays, congratulations, or just to surprise a friend. With just a few simple steps, you'll be able to light up your messages with colourful confetti. Let's get started by opening the Messages app on your iOS device. This is your standard app for sending text messages, so you'll most likely find it on your home screen or within your app library. Once you have the app open, go ahead and select the contact you'd like to send an explosive message to. This could be a friend, family member, or anyone in your contact list. Now type out the message you want to make pop. Consider something celebratory or festive like congratulations or happy birthday. These kinds of messages are perfect for pairing with the confetti effect, adding a visual element to your words and helping convey excitement and joy. Once your message is perfectly crafted, it's time to add the magic. Press and hold the send arrow. This is the blue arrow you usually tap to send your message. Holding it down for a moment will bring up a new screen with different message effects. Next, you'll want to tap on the screen tab at the top of your screen. This tab allows you to apply screen effects that take over the entire message interface, providing a more immersive experience. Now comes the fun part. Swipe left through the different available effects until you see the confetti effect. You'll see a lively animation of colourful pieces of confetti falling across the screen. It's pretty eye-catching and definitely sets the mood for celebration. Once you're satisfied with your chosen effect, go ahead and tap the send arrow again. By doing this, the confetti effect will be attached to your message. When the recipient opens the message, they'll be greeted with vibrant confetti raining down, adding a colourful twist to your celebratory note. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully turned a simple text message into an exciting visual celebration. It's a simple trick, but it can make a big difference in making someone's day a little brighter. So go ahead and try it out the next time you have something special to say. Thanks for watching and happy messaging.